Right guys, I've got that set up right. I'm just about to deep fry the turkey for the first time. But what I've done, I've preheated the turkey in the oven so it doesn't suffer with so much of a temperature drop when you put a cold bird in. But that's the hope anyhow. So I'll just look, I've got the oil levels right. The turkey is frying quite nicely in there now. I got the oil level right, but it's early days yet. Looking pretty fierce. But I'll do another video to let you know how it goes. But so far, so good. See you later, guys. Merry Christmas.